headlines. Non-local barred from selling local handloom products. Manipur aids 95 new infections of coronavirus, 4 fatalities. And security tightens, searches intensified after Jammu and Kashmir civilian killings. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, welcome to PONYTV English News. This is CHRISTINA giving you the latest news update. Khwairamband Nupi Kaitel Sinpam Amadi Saktam Kanbalup has banned selling of local handloom products by non-locals in Khwairamband market in Infal. The decision was announced by Thingunzamt Ongbi Rani Devi, General Secretary of Khwairamband Nupi Kaitel Sinpam Amadi Saktam Kanbalup at Ima Market. The Ima Kaitel Women's Market, a 500-years-old market with over 5,000 traders have been visited now due to uninterrupted disturbances. She told media Rani said goods sold at Imam Market are readily available around the market. She said non-local are also selling low-priced machine-woven Rani P sari by non-locals everywhere, seriously affecting the business of Imam Market. Hence, the non-local will be barred from selling such items from today onwards, Rani said. Manipur aided 95.
Sina maram warga kaithen je suki matik phambi na balek ta no gi sum kulangang ka okta ba adai paisa yaw ta gadi kanana no kaithen se matam chang na sum pham ga le to je ada sina maram warga kaithen hum je no no sidak na akoi kaithen je mut ki be abi phim la ba kamai tor ga hingkat ka dage kamai tor ga kaithen gi mi je phaman ga dage habi wakhan dem ta khana bidre te masi akoi khakte gi no te ba kaithen je all manipur gi ne ba aduna district khuding gi huji Laiba Hantaki government Sina, the Mamang government, district could go in and picket any market and Am Saiba, Singi district high, Tampaki district high. District wise in a permanent brigade Lamjok soak, they spend their Mamma should side over. Other than when a palm chong chong toba, the visible palm toba, Nasaki palm to 1 man, Sina, Moina, Gari, Mapota, Poragasulam be the way to Roina, you only have people like.
Manipur added 95 new infections of coronavirus and 4 fatalities in the last 24 hours, said the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. The positivity was recorded at 3.8. Now the total infection tally has increased to 1,22,899. The death toll stands at 1,901. The new cases were confirmed following testing of 2,488 samples, according to an official release from Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room. It added that altogether 23 people were recuperated from the disease in the past 24 hours. Security has been further enhanced and search intensified across the Kashmir Valley, especially in the capital Srinagar, following a series of targeted killings that left 11 civilians dead this month. The authorities have suspended or reduced the speed of mobile internet services in parts of Srinagar's Old City and South Kashmir district, where the attack have been reported lately. As part a media report, officials said multiple security review meetings have been held and the number of security forces deployed around key installations such as the secretariat and the airport and has been increased. This type of attacks obviously attract a greater security response, said an official, who did not wish to be named. Multiple checkpoints and roadblocks have been erected across Srinagar. The security is very stringent and searches have intensified. Police and CRPF parties have been patrolling in larger number, and also there are sudden searches of vehicles, and said Bilal Ahmad, a Srinagar resident. The number of bulletproof mobile bunker vehicles deployed at sensitive places has also been increased and the high-tech CCTV surveillance enhanced. Women paramilitary forces have also been deployed in Srinagar's Lal Chowk for searches, the report said. The 130 Rising Day of Manipur Police was celebrated at First MR Parade Ground in Imphal today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on the occasion extended best wishes to all the officers and personnel of Manipur Police. In a Facebook post, the Chief Minister commemorated their vigilance and discipline in preserving peace, unity, and integrity of Manipur. I quote, "Under our citizen-centric governance, all our police personnel have played a key role in strengthening the ties between the public and Manipur Police. Many of our police personnel have badged prestigious awards and medals at the state and national level," unquote. It may be remembered that Nongpok Sekmai Police Station was ranked first in India's top 10 police stations 2020. The Swanis Vijay Masalt of Victory Flame that symbolizes India's victory over Pakistan in 1971 war reached Churachandpur today with overwhelming enthusiasm and fervor. The victory flame was handed over to Colonel Viplav Tripathi, officiating Commandant 46 Assam Rifle under the aegis of 27 Sector Assam Rifles. IZAR South by the officiating commandant of Maratha Light Infantry at Bisnupur. The victory flame was proudly ushered by 25 bikers of the Churachandpur Royal Biker Clubs. The celebration of 50 years of the victory, Swarnim Vijay Wars, was flagged off by Prime Minister Narendra Modi from National War Memorial in New Delhi on December 16, 2020. 46 Assam Rifle under the aegis of 27 Sector Assam Rifle, Inspector General Assam Rifle started the national celebration of Victory Flame by paying homage to the martyrs at War Memorial 27 Assam Rifle and Churachandpur. The event was attended by several troops of Assam Rifles, including DIG 27 Sector Assam Rifles, war veterans, gallantry award winners, civil dignitaries, and CSO of Churachandpur district.
This is the victory flame which has arrived to us at Churachandpur today. As you all must be aware, this victory flame was sent by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. This is to commemorate 50 years of we are calling this as Swarnim Vijay Vash. This is to commemorate 50 years of our Vijay Divas. So last year on 16th of December at the National War Memorial at Delhi, from the Amar Jawan Jyoti, this victory flame was sent by the Honorable Prime Minister in all cardinal directions, in all 4 cardinal directions, and since then the victory flame has gone across to so many places all across India, and as far as the eastern direction is concerned, the victory flame has travelled to all the places, and finally it has arrived at Churachandpur today.
Angry locals of Langol today staged a protest against construction of a government quarter in a playground saying the playground should be spared in the interest of the local youngster. Member of United Committee Manipur UCM Local Langul Unit, Local Club, Mera Paibi Organization and local residents banned the construction work. UCM Langul Unit General Secretary Naurem Robent Meite told media that they will not allow any type of construction activities in the local playground and warned of a local total shutdown in case the government failed to withdraw the project within 10 days' time.
Sit-in for this of Jagre. Aduga Sagi, Apena Tamiba, Gamenda, Apena Samjaribati, China, Langungi, playground, in a lay with Agamata, Makalamatagi, Gamendi project over, and there's a project in Makalamtagi project, Pacific Highway, Apena Samjari Gamenda.
She played honor from you and Ajabani, Masi community, Amataginate, community Kurimakini. Community Kodimo Chana China Leba, a quick Park Amada, Legauna Puna Sana Minada, Pamina, Nuki Chana, Wari Sana, Tamda, Manipur to do Leta, Supercatoribuni, Aduki Pandam, the Subaru, Okalon, Nakuna Hajabani, Machi had Kurimache, Honorable Chief Minister, a quick Niam Vidota, Kudo and Dona, Yamda, Zabamonga, Mount, the Tankidava, and the Honabi by Kukanji, to have a playground city. We have Yap of the Tehika, among the two, Ambakaba, Lakraba, Lake of Pony. Masida Miana, a Makan project, Amatang Sajin, Bakusin, Yaning de, Pam de, Toning de, Yasunga Moy have a seat, a Hansu Hajare.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Admissions open for pre-primary teachers training courses. 10 seats per batch for 6 months. 90% job facilities, also available online classes. For more details, please contact Nawa Singdamsang Office, Changangai, Makhalekai. Contact number 8837483810.
Welcome back. A state-level meeting on emerging issues of human rights in Manipur was held at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, located inside DM College campus in Imphal. Organized by the Human Rights Law Network, the deliberation was moderated by former member of Manipur State Commission for Protections of Child Rights, Kesham Pradeep Kumar. Mayhoba Rakesh of HRLN, Dr. Chinglen Mesnam, Associate Professor, Department of Economics, Manipur University, Caroline Kasar, and Human Rights Alert HRA Executive Director Bablo Loitangbamp were the resource person of the event. Professor Dr. Chinglen Mesnam, during the meeting, elaborated on the negative impact of COVID pandemic.
Market Tilda, Sanga, Sahi, Animaki Mamanga, Ukiva Ima, and a 22 living, or my young factor. Although Mari of Hondo, she did not handy, until the Yogina, Sangi. A day that someone would do that, Poma Mare, if you are going to do the section, the packet to some those who can be like my copy and get kind of singing. So the Gana, as Madiam, how told me go, I know the names in my never Imaduna, Masanapi. Heidi, Mamadu Sahi. Kumjam Suramani, Masalupi Sahian Kaishu, the Mama Musilame, Mama to the and the Kituda, Ogi, laboring Shibia. I had the Hana Pamaman, Amata Ayamala, was Mut Silasilaga, Mamu Pinalaka, the Masana Pinalaka, Hadi Hanaki Mamasiki, Hatango, Karan Lakidaba, Karana Nakiba, Karana Pulus Hoki with the Gay, Ampana to home Yam Young Sijanis.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today observed a condolence meeting on the sudden demise of Langu Langring, former PCC member Chandel BCC in a road accident. MPCC deeply mourned his loss and observed a 2-minute silence and resolved to fly Congress party flag half-mast for 1 day at the Congress Bhawan as a mark of respect to the departed leader. MPCC also shared the grief of the Berry family, near and dear ones and pray for his soul rest in peace. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President and Loken today greeted the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Mira Hauchongba. Mira Hauchongba was a cultural festival of Manipur instituted under the monarchy and celebrated by people of various communities at Kangla on the 10th day of Meitei lunar month of Mira. In the day of Ur, the festival was under the royal patronage and attended by the king nobles and dignitaries from across the communities and regions. The people from different communities attending the festival wore their respective ornamented traditional attires, which presented an apparent look of cultural mosaic. And Loken, in his message, also urged the people of the state to follow COVID safety protocols while celebrating the festival this year. May this celebration bring a sense of unity and brotherhood amongst different ethnic communities settled in the hills and valley of the state for a more harmonious and prosperous Manipur, he said in the message. Guru Gulapi Nath Sankirtan Academy today kick off the 28th Guru Kirtan Seva 2021 at Kwakaitel, Ngangna Pitong in Infal. Former Director of AIR Infal, Dilip Mayingbam, Padmasri awarded Sogaizam Tanil Singh, Padmasri awarded Setri Mayum, Taurini Sabi Devi, and Pukrabam Bilas Singh. Director in charge of JNMDA attended the function. The attendees paid floral tributes to the late Sankirtan gurus on the occasion. On the second day of the ongoing Manipur Sumang Lila Festival at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen in Infal, the Malum Panthoibi Artists Association presented Khomlang Lamant and Nongzabi by the Women's Art and Culture Association. Once again, let's take a short break.
Occasion singidamakta makhal kiyagi cake, haibadi photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcakes in a chingba fongbigani, amadi adomgi apamba moongda cake customized tawbagi kudong chabasu pisari. Kudong chabasing asi lawbinabagi damakta lensing bidau aikhoigi address NG College Road near Naurangtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikhoigi online partner Food Wi-Fi amasung Food Web tagisu order tawiba yagani.
After the break, in what looks like a factional killing, one person was found shot dead in the outskirts of Dimapur in Nagaland. Reports say that the deceased have been identified as one Atoka. The killing reportedly occurred on October 17. The deceased reportedly hailed from Niki group of NSCN. It is yet to be ascertained the identities of the perpetrators, though reports were doing the round that it was purely a factional killing. Death toll due to flash flood and landslide rises to 38 as the Navy and NDRF recovered more bodies from the slush and debris. According to the data, toll comprises all rain-related incidents since October 12. Idukki District authorities say the Navy, NDRF, Fire Force personnel, and others have been engaged in rescue operation at Kokayar and other regions of the district, which were ravaged by numerous landslides on October 16, where more people is said to be missing. They say 2 more bodies were recovered from the district today. taking the toll year to 11. Meanwhile, the State Disaster Management Authorities said 38 persons have lost their life from October 12 to 18 in various rain-related incidents that had occurred across Kerala, and at least 90 houses have been destroyed in rain since October 12, while 702 houses were partially damaged. Assam Rifle promotes Kilo India initiative by organizing wushu competition in Bisnupur of Manipur. The Kaupum Battalion Assam Rifle conducted a friendly wushu competition in Bisnupur district yesterday. The event was organized to create awareness and to promote wushu and fitness-related activities in the remote part of the state. The event was concluded with felicitations of the sportspersons who are selected to represent Manipur State in the Wushu Games at the National Championship to be held at Jalandhar in Punjab. The commitment of Assam Rifle to provide necessary assistance to Wushu team ahead of the National Championship was appreciated by the players, parents, and coaches. Bhavani Devi, who is currently ranked 50th in the world and is the top-ranked fencer from India, has won the Terlevi national competition in France in the individual women's sabre event. She has made history at the Tokyo Olympic by becoming the first Indian to compete in the sport at the game. At the Tokyo Olympic, she won her round of 64 matches, 15-3 against Tunisia Nadia Ben Azizi before going down to eventual bronze medalist. Manon Brunet of France in the round of 32. She is aimed a good show at the 2022 Asian Games and has started preparing for the multi-discipline sporting extravaganza. Once again, the top news headlines. Non-local barred from selling local handloom products. Manipur 895 new infections of coronavirus, 4 fatalities. And security titan surges intensified after Jammu and Kashmir civilians killed. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News.